Hello. I just wanted to start the video by saying I'm not affiliated in any way, shape, or form with No Text to Speech or Discord or Reverb. No Text to Speech does not endorse my Discord bot. It is simply I saw his video on it on Reverb, and what happened, I have a way of fixing it. So I'm trying to get this video out to as many people as possible because the Reverb is currently in like over 10,000 servers. I can't imagine how many it was in when it actually happened, because I didn't know this happened until I saw a No Text to Speech video. And yeah, I kind of am clickbaiting a little bit, but at the same time, everything else in that thumbnail is true. There is a way to undo some of the damage that's done. And so I'm going to start right here. Let's do, because all the commands are under denukify. I'm currently working on documentation on my docs website, docs.goldendev.net, so you'll be able to see exactly how to do it with pictures and stuff. I already have a video posted. I'll put that link in the description as well. But I'm just going to go through restoring specifically the channels in the event that you lost channels due to Reverb's, I guess, compromise by one of the staff members. So I'm going to go ahead and simulate that all the channels were deleted. So I'm going to purge all the channels. I'm going to confirm. Okay, all the channels are gone. This is what most people's servers look like currently. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create a channel. And this could bring back, well, no, because it's a music bot, so it should be fine. But we're going to call this test, because it doesn't matter what you call it, but you have to have a channel in order to send a command in. I'm going to do /denukify restore channels. And you're going to have to put the user ID and the limit. The maximum limit is 100 currently. I'm working on an algorithm to allow you to do more than 100, but currently it's only 100. If you need to restore more than 100 channels, please join the support server, link in the description, and I'll help you guys get around that briefly by running it on my computer instead of running it where the bot's running, because it really downgrades the performance and the experience for all the other users of the bot. So I'm going to go ahead. We're going to go to audit log. Whoops, I got to disable streamer mode real quick. 1 second. Okay, we're back in the audit log. So in the case of when it's a nuke, then you won't know the user ID, but because it's Reverb, you probably could just take the user ID of Reverb. But anyway, so I'm just gonna, you right click on their name, or this little, yeah, you go right click on their name, that part there, you click profile, these three dots, you click copy user ID. An important note about how this works, you can do this after the user's gone. You can invite GoldenBot after the nuke happened and all that other stuff. It does not restore messages. There's no way to do that. Discord's very thorough at deleting message data, which is good for security and such. It can be annoying for certain things in this case, but it's good for security. You can't restore any of that sort of stuff, but you get the channel back, you get the descriptions of the channel, and you get the @everyone permissions from that channel. So we're going to set the limit to 100 here. Denukify restore channels. We're going to confirm, and it restored some extra because it seems that I've had the bot delete them in the past, but because Reverb is specifically a music bot, it shouldn't have deleted channels up until now. So as long as you use this within 45 days of the nuke happening, it should be totally fine. And yes, you do lose the order of the channels, but that is another downside of how this works. It's just how it is. There's no way around it. There's absolutely no way. But you can see right here, it's got this little lock icon that says limited, because the reason why is because it was able to restore the @everyone permissions. So if I go into permissions, @everyone, it saved what it was when it was deleted. Ticket notifications, as you can see, as it should be. So that's really useful. Yeah, I hope this helped you guys. I know it really sucks, and hopefully most of you guys have already restored your servers by now in a good way, but that's kind of unfortunate for me, I guess. It was a bit too late to this. If you guys ever see this sort of thing happen in the future, let me know, because I would like to know, because then I could make a video about this faster and it could actually help more people get everything up and running fast and exactly how it was. But if you want to purge all of your existing channels and get exactly what you had before Reverb destroyed them all, you can do that. One note, does not support forum channels. That is not out yet, because it's a newer thing, like it's newer, so the support on the API part is a little bit wonky and it's a little bit harder. I have to do it separately from the R channels, so I'll be working on that soon, but there's so much other stuff I have to work on anyway. So yeah, check out my other videos on the bot. Invite the bot, link in the description. Hope this helps. Have a good day. Goodbye.